How is pain and suffering calculated in a personal injury lawsuit? Injuries can happen unexpectedly, and when they do, you might find yourself wondering how to seek compensation for pain and suffering. We're glad to have you here with us today. We specialize in personal injury claims. Today, we'll explore the intricate process of calculating pain and suffering damages in a personal injury lawsuit. When you're injured due to someone else's negligence, navigating the legal landscape to claim compensatory damages for pain and suffering can be complex. Let's break down the key elements involved and how an experienced personal injury attorney can simplify the process for you. To understand how pain and suffering damages are calculated, we first need to define the two categories under which they fall: physical pain and mental suffering. Both are considered general damages, representing the intangible losses you endure due to your injuries. Physical pain involves the tangible discomfort resulting from injuries, while mental suffering encompasses the emotional toll, including anxiety, depression, and other negative emotions. Proving physical pain and physical injuries. Proving physical pain is challenging, as it's often subjective and varies from person to person. While common injuries like broken bones are visibly linked to pain, less apparent injuries, such as soft tissue damage, pose a greater challenge in determining the level of suffering. Medical documentation plays a crucial role in establishing a strong case. Your injuries need to be clearly documented, and expert testimony may be required to explain the connection between your injuries and the pain you're experiencing. Severe injuries can leave lasting effects on mental health. Mental pain and suffering can manifest as loss of enjoyment of life, emotional distress, and various negative emotions. In some cases, it may even lead to conditions like post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD. To establish mental suffering, evidence such as psychological reports, personal writings, and testimony from those who know you well can be crucial in proving the impact of your injuries on your daily life. How do attorneys calculate pain and suffering damages? Now let's delve into the methods attorneys use to place a monetary value on your pain and suffering. The two common methods are the multiplier method and the per diem method. The multiplier method starts with your medical bills as a base. A chosen multiplier, considering factors like severity of injuries and impact on your life, is then applied to determine the monetary value of your pain and suffering. Insurance companies may challenge the multiplier, but your personal injury lawyer will strive to secure the highest possible multiplier to maximize your compensation. Per diem method. In the per diem method, the length of your recovery time becomes the starting point. Your attorney selects a per diem amount based on various factors, and this value is then multiplied by the number of days it took for you to recover. If your injuries significantly disrupted your life, your per diem is likely to be higher, ensuring fair compensation for your pain and suffering. Factors proving economic damages. To prove economic damages, such as medical bills and loss of income, your attorney will require concrete evidence. This may include receipts, pay stubs, medical records, and expert testimony. This evidence is crucial in establishing the financial impact of your injuries and ensuring you receive fair compensation. Factors proving non-economic damages. Proving non-economic damages being intangible is more challenging. Your attorney may use psychological reports, personal writings, and testimony to showcase the impact of your injuries on your mental well-being and daily life. Building a comprehensive case that highlights both economic and non-economic damages is essential for a successful personal injury claim. Find the best personal injury attorney to represent your case. When it comes to calculating pain and suffering in personal injury lawsuit, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. An experienced personal injury attorney can navigate the complexities, gather compelling evidence, and ensure you receive the compensation you deserve. Contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today for a free consultation.